The part to blame is your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of your chest. All hiccups start here. The diaphragm almost always works perfectly. When you inhale, it pulls down to help pull air into your lungs. When you exhale, it pushes up to help push air out of the lungs. But sometimes the diaphragm becomes irritated. When this happens, it pulls down in a jerky way, which makes you suck air in through your throat suddenly. When the air rushing in hits your voice box, you're left with a big hiccup.